This is the moment. This is my dream. It's happening now. This is the place. This is the joy. This is the blessing I ask from the Lord. I am so blessed. I am so proud. God is so good to answer my prayers. I'm much more me when I'm with you. You bring the best out of me. 'Cause you are my angel. You are my everything. You are the reason I'm still breathing. You are the reason I'm always smiling. 'Cause you are my angel. You patiently care for me. You are a gift from heaven. You are my life, my friend, my soulmate too. You mean the world to me. I would spend my lifetime with you. We know we don't have the perfect love, but we're trying. Your flaws and your mistakes, your imperfections I will take. You are my love, my only love. That's all I